5125 Paso Venado in Carmel. Come on in, we'll give you a tour of this 5,000 square foot estate. This listing is by Kate Gladney and Kathleen Randazzo of Sotheby's International Realty. I'm Patrick Ryan of Sotheby's International Realty, and if you'd like to have a private showing, please feel free to contact me. 831-238-8116 or patrick.ryan@sotheby'shomes.com. Without further ado, come on inside. I'll get the door for you. We're up at the top of Jack's Peak here. So when you come in, you're greeted with a beautiful view of the Monterey Bay in all its glory. We have a beautiful sunny day today, which is normal for this area. Across the bay today, you can see Santa Cruz, and at night you'd be able to see the lights of downtown Monterey, downtown Seaside, and the boardwalk in Santa Cruz. And as you notice, the home, it does have a black bottom pool. It is heated through solar panels that are on the roof and also heat the house. They provide electricity for the house. So right now we're in the living room. You see the beautiful fireplace that's imported from Europe. We have the walls are all Venetian plaster that were hand done. And this wall of mirrors has a special little trick to it. Each one turns over and becomes a shelf. So if you're having a cocktail party, you have a place to set your drinks down. So come on in. Let's take a look at the kitchen. You notice the home has floor-to-ceiling windows throughout to take in the beautiful view that you get every day. So this is a very special kitchen. You have a limestone countertop with a waterfall design, Neff cabinets, a hidden refrigerator right here. We have refrigerator doors, freezer drawers here, and by the sink you also have your own refrigerator doors as well. Coffee maker in the corner with a microwave, induction stovetop, oven right here, and then you're in the kitchen and you're cooking. You need to wash your hands. You need to turn off the dirty hands. Just raise your hand up and down, and it's set. Nice big, thick, deep sink as well. And like the rest of the house, you have the view of the Monterey Bay. And down there you can see the Naval Postgraduate School, which is part of the history of Monterey Bay. Just a wonderful place to live. Off of the kitchen, we have the family room. Once again, with a matching fireplace that matches in the living room. This is also imported from Europe. And what a better way to sit, watch a game, watch the news with this view behind you, and then right off in the kitchen as well. So all this, what we're seeing first, is all on the main level. The living room, the dining room, kitchen, and family room. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom, shall we? So right now we're in the master bedroom, once again with just amazing views of the Monterey Bay. So Jack's Peak is a very private location up top here. And on the foggy days, most of the time you're out of the fog as well. Nice size master bedroom, all on the main level. So easy access to the kitchen and the family room. And just an amazing, luxurious master bathroom as well. With a soaking tub, rainbow shower head in the shower, and then separate closets for each partner. So I'll follow you in. Beautiful marble countertops, soaking tub, huge walk-in closet that is empty and just needs to be filled with all your shoes and all your clothes. High ceilings without, also with skylights that gives you some natural light as well. One nice thing about the soaker tub is you have a view out of the master bedroom windows as well, but still gives you privacy. This side of the master bathroom is connected through the shower. So each partner has their own separate. They don't need to get in each other's way in the morning, or if you're leaving early, you can have the privacy to get ready without waking your partner up. This side is a little bit more dark wood, and they use this countertop here for packing when they go on their trips. This door then comes right back in to the master bedroom, where once again, like the rest of the house, you're just greeted with these views. Who can argue with that? So now we've seen the main level. Let's head down to the bottom one where we have 2 bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet and their own bath and direct access to the pool. Let's head on down there. Hello, so now we're down on the 2nd level. This is one of the guest bedrooms with its own walk-in closet and its own separate bathroom. This bedroom would be a master bedroom in most homes. It also has direct access to the pool, to the black bottom pool, that once again is heated by the solar panels on the roof. So even on a chilly day, you can spend time in the pool. Here's the sliders that get access to the pool. And like every other room upstairs, you have a beautiful view of the bay, and you also see the city lights at night. So as we come through here, we have a sitting area, TV. This could be a game room, watch sports. Once again, it's right off the pool, so if you're wet from the pool, you can dry off, and you have the tile floors so you're not getting the carpet wet. This leads into the 2nd guest bedroom over here. Similar in size, has its own walk-in closet, king-size bed, and then its own bathroom as well. And once again, you have the view of the Monterey Bay throughout, and access to the pool as well. So when you have guests, guests have their own level down below, or family members, they have their own level down below, while you, the owner, will be upstairs in your master suite. So let's take a look. We'll go through the pantry and the laundry room, then we'll head back upstairs and finish the tour. Okay, so we're gonna head down this hallway and go to where the laundry room is. We'll be passing by 4 wine refrigerators, full size. These go with the home, so you don't have to worry about a wine cellar. You already have one built in. Down here off the hallway is a separate laundry room with a folding area, and so keep all your laundry down here. Don't have to worry about it upstairs with its own separate sink, and it's off the 2-car garage as well. And once again, folding your laundry, you have the view of the Monterey Bay, so can't beat that. So let's head upstairs. We'll finish up towards the kitchen. Okay, come on with me. Okay, come on upstairs. Now this is separate stairs than what we took to go downstairs. And off of the kitchen is the powder room. So this house is 3 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, with this amazing chandelier in the powder room. But this makes it convenient for guests when you're having over for dinner and they need to use it. And then once again, this is just right off of the kitchen. You'll have a little spot for your computer, little office space right here. And then we'll end where we should, with a view of the Monterey Bay. So once again, I'd like to thank Kate Gladney and Kathleen Rendazzo for this listing. And thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of 5125 Paso Venado. My name is Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty. If you'd like a private showing, give me a call, 831-238-8116, or just shoot me an email, patrick.ryan@sotheby'shomes.com, and that'll all show up on the screen. Okay, thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.